Everybody in the crowd, so come on and
at least po, yung mga basura nyo po, pakitapon sa tamang basurahan. Marami po tayong nakalabas ng mga basurahan. Doon yung po itapon ng inyong mga pinagkainan at pinag-inuman.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very much thank you. How old are you now?
17 years old.
Happy birthday, Atida.
Thank you so much, Kuya Danny. Alam na ni Jeff, you know. Saan ka ba pagkain? Bahan ako. Asa na doon. Kasi naman, alam mo ng Thursday, kaya din ako nag-test. Pero yung ibang mga naibigay na sa akin, kaya ginawa ko.
This is our final candidates for Male Star of the Night. Wait lang po ha. Okay, thank you so much. You can now take your seat please. So at this moment, we will wait another 2 hours for our program. And of course, maraming salamat po for celebrating with us our 30 years of Spanish community, 24 years of Spanish dedication, and defending. It's no other than Sana Nagpapag, Sister Lisa Enakay. Lisa, kasama po kayo. Kasama po kayo. Wala po po yung picture. Tita Minda and Tito Aiden, nandiyan ako ba? Once again, our female star of the night is si Tita Liza Enakay. Ay, parang wala. Ayun. Ang head po ng Commission of Parliament. Star of the night. So other than Brother Christian Lape.
Merry Christmas, kapatupat. Happy Father's Day! See you! Okay po ba? Wala, 70s ang attire namin, years 70s. Eh wala akong ibang mga gamit. Ito lang, alangan na bibili po ulit ang gamit. So kung ano pong meron ako dito, yun na lang po ang susuot ko. 70s naman po ito, no? Okay guys, see you! Okay po ba? 70s attire. Kuha-kuha po ba yung 70s? Wala. Ito lang talagang pwede kong gawin.